You know how Samsung's Galaxy S lineup always seems to leak months before launch? Well, this time it's gone way beyond the usual blurry renders and case leaks. Because we might have just gotten our clearest look yet at the Galaxy S26 series, thanks to screen protectors. Yeah, screen protectors. So here's what's happening. A post on X from PhoneArt just dropped what they claim are tempered glass screen protectors for the Galaxy S26, the S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. And honestly, these things reveal more about the phones than you'd expect. All three of them have rounded corners, which lines up perfectly with what we saw in earlier leaks. Now, that might not sound like a big deal, but here's the interesting part. If you look back at the Galaxy S25 lineup, the regular S25 and S25 Plus had softer, rounded corners, while the S25 Ultra looked sharper and more squared off. This time, Samsung's finally giving the entire S26 lineup a more unified look. And that's a big win for people who love symmetry and consistency. But there's more. These screen protectors also suggest that all three models will have evenly sized bezels that are ridiculously thin. Like crazy thin. Are they slimmer than last year's? Hard to say until we get some measurements or a side-by-side comparison, but if the leaks are accurate, Samsung's definitely chasing that ultra-clean, borderless look this year. And here's where things get interesting. We finally have a potential launch date. According to a report from Money Today, Samsung's next big Unpacked event could happen on February 25th, 2026 in San Francisco. That's actually where Samsung launched the Galaxy S23 series, and it looks like they're heading back there, which makes sense because San Francisco's basically ground zero for AI innovation right now. Samsung's been pushing AI features harder than ever, and launching their next flagship lineup in the world's AI capital feels like a statement. They're not just making another smartphone, they're building the next generation of smart devices that learn how you use them. So now the big question, do you think Samsung's design tweaks and AI focus are enough to make the S26 lineup feel fresh again? Or is it just more of the same with thinner bezels and a new event location? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading through them. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, maybe stick around. There's a lot more coming about Samsung's next big moves.